your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, sweetie squad, what is up, my lovies? Happy Saturday. Okay, guys. So today is the day that we're going to do the pinky eye look, the little 3-minute little eye look. I'm so excited. I know you guys have been asking for it, and today I feel is the perfect day. What the frick is this? Above my forehead? I don't know. But anyways, okay. So we're going to do the easy eye look using only one palette. The palette I'm choosing today is the Lovebird palette. I think it's just very diverse. It has great pinks in it and great easy colors just to do this easy look. If you do not have the Lovebird, you guys can always get the drugstore. There is a fantastic Maybelline one. I rave about it all the time. You guys can get L'Oreal. You guys can do it with any type of palette, and you don't even have to use the same colors I'm using. I'm just trying to show you guys how to do an easy eye look. Basically, if you're on the go or whatever, or you just want to just throw on something. Now, I got my camo on, and I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. But if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding 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 the bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because we do giveaways on this channel, and right now I have a Jeffree Star Valentine's Day premium box giveaway going on. The 2 lucky winners. The rules are very simple. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like on the video, and make sure you comment down below of that video what is my favorite Jeffree Star lip. Don't do no cheating, guys. Listen to the whole video. Don't read the comments. That's cheating, guys. And now I have an amazing announcement of the 5,000 and 6,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm so pumped. So let's get into this tutorial. Okay, so we're gonna talk, and we're going to talk about the giveaway. So the giveaway, I said, is gonna be on on February 28th. And we are sticking to it. I'll be announcing it. This is how it's going to go, guys. It's going to be like this. It's going to be 5,000 and 6,000. We're going to do it together, meaning there's going to be 4 winners. You'll have 4 chances to win, okay? It's going to be my biggest giveaway by far. My manager, my Busy Beauty, my YouTube manager, she is putting together an epic box for one of the winners, and basically that's gonna go to the grand prize winner, okay? And I'm gonna give you guys all the details in that video. Right now I'm just announcing what's gonna be in it. So in her box, I'm not telling you everything, but it's going to be a little bit of Colourpop, a little bit of Ciate London, a little bit of Too Faced, it's FabFit, really, First Day Beauty. It's going to be massive, okay? It's going to be amazing. That's going to be the grand prize winner. Now, to the second place, you'll be winning from me a goodie box as well, and you'll be winning Colourpop. You'll be winning what I'm throwing in there, Jeffree Star. You'll be winning, I am putting a exclusive Jeffree Star mirror. Oh, I don't want to use that word exclusive. A Jeffree Star mirror in there. So if you do not have a mirror, you will now have your own Jeffree Star mirror. I am putting in their lips. I am putting in their whole bunch of goodies. I need you right now in the comments down below to comment a brand that you guys would like to try. Because also in Stephanie, my YouTube manager's box, she's putting Juvia's Place. So tell me a brand that you guys would like to try. Let me know in the comments down below, because your girl's going to Ulta next week. I am. Now, for the 6,000 subscriber giveaway, I am giving away 2 Ulta gift cards that are $50 each. So guys, this is money coming out of my own pocket. This ain't no YouTube check, honey. This is my personal money I'm giving back to y'all, because you guys have gotten me so far. And remember, if there's no y'all, there's no me. So you'll have 4 chances of winning some epic goodies, 2 big box of goodies, or 2 $50 gift cards. I think that's awesome. I cannot wait. I am so pumped for it. Now, let's get into this eye tutorial. Okay, so again, we are using the Lovebird palette. I've already primed and prepped my eyes. I used the e.l.f. primer, honest to God, like $3. There you go. And now we're going to, and I'm going to try to zoom y'all in here. I'm so bad at tutorials. I promise I'll get better. Okay, so we're going to go in with a Morphe E17 brush. And we're going to go in with the lightest color right here, which is Flower Boy. And
we're going to go ahead and put that into the crease.
I should have like some good music for you guys. Also, guys, I actually learned some tricks today from one of my good friends, Maturely Glam. So definitely check out her channel. She taught me something and I was like, what? I didn't know that. So I'm gonna try that trick today. But yeah, I have an update for you guys on the crime story. So I think I'm gonna do a separate video of that only because I want to try to explain to you guys exactly what I'm doing. And I mean, honestly, I said 3 minutes, but I mean, we just started. Like, count me down now. Because we were talking before. So you just want to, like I said, you want to get this as your transition color. This is going to be your transition color. And remember, guys, this look is super easy. Anybody can do it. Very, very simple. And it's done. Look at that. Vada ving. Vada boom. So you just want to go ahead and blend it out so that you're, you know what I mean? But you're rushing also, remember that, because this is a 3 minute, but I promise you, it will look good at the end. I love a good pink in the crease, honey. And I'm wearing camo colors today, so this is just all going to have to go together. And then I have on some Buxom Brown Gloss, so it's just going to have to go. All right, so now I'm going to take the next color, which is Sing Oh Song. Sing, because I love putting some glitter in my crease. I don't know about y'all. I know some of y'all is like, oh my God, no, Sam, don't do it. But me, I love it. And then a lot of you guys are like, Sam, how do you do an eye look with your eye open? Don't ask, just know I do. Okay, I'm going back in with the same color. I should really like be showing y'all. Going back in the same color, and comment down below if you have this palette. Comment down below because this has been lately my go-to palette until, of course, I get I was going to rank my Jeffree Star palettes for you guys. You guys know I did my lip glosses and now I want to rate the palettes, but I want to wait until I get Bloodlust, if you know what I mean. So as you guys see, real quick, I flicked it out somehow, some way. Let me explain. So I started right here, right? And then I just brush over. So I want to get the shape of my eye, but I want to still give it an angled look. I want to flex. I'm flicking it out. There you go. So now I want to go in with Side Chick. Yeah, don't want to be one of those ever. All right, and this is like a darker color. So do you see what we're doing? We're going from light to medium to dark. That's how we're doing this. All right, and then we're going to go right in here and we're going to darken it a little bit more. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Love. If you wanna be my lover, gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever, but friendship never ends. Y'all remember the Spice Girls? Come on now. Okay, I wanted to be Posh Spice. Comment down below what you wanted to be. Probably Baby. Everybody wanted to be Baby or Sporty. I wanted to be Posh. There you go. Okay, now we are done. We're done. Like, we're almost done. So I've already put 3 colors in this crease. Now, everyone's like, Samantha, why do you stack color on color? Color on color gives it a more broadening look. It makes it look more defined. It makes it have more of an impact to others. So people, when they look in your eyes, most of the time, they'll be like, oh my God, I love your shadow. And I'll be like, oh, thanks. Okay, so there. Also, this eye is a little bit different than this eye. Just remember that. I don't know if it's everyone's eyes, but I know my eye is different than this eye. Don't know why. All right, so now the last color. We're going to go in with this dark one right here, which is called No Egg Rolls. Egg Rolls. No egg rolls. I'm on the egg roll. And I wet my brush slightly before this tutorial, so hopefully it will still work. Who knows? Let's see. And I'm going right into this outer corner and brushing it partly into the crease. Not going all the way into the crease, but just in that midsection. Do you see the difference, honey? So this eye has now opened because we now have that darker color on the end. Hey, I can do tutorials. What you girl? Here we go. All right, so we are darkening this right here, like I said, and we're only bringing it in the middle, but I need to wet my brush, so I will be right back. I wet the brush. Gotta wet the brush for this look, guys. I mean, anytime you do a corner, you got to wet the brush. So let me just go back in this one more time. Oh, yes. There's the pigment we want, honey. Because then I'm going to bring this color also into my lower line. And I'm going to tell you guys a trick of that in a minute too. So we're going to go back in with this color, egg rolls. Angles. Oh my God, we're going to do this eye real quick here. And it's so important that you have a brush that looks like this. This is the Luxe Precision Shader. I wish I could find 5,000 of these. You know what? Let's use this Tarte Stay Spray. Oh, okay. We don't need to go to the bathroom, honey. We'll just use the spray. Oh, yes. I like. Do you like? I am goofball city today. Okay. So, I'm in love. And this is the Lovebird palette. So, why do birds suddenly up? Okay, no, back to the tutorial. Okay. So we're done. We're not gonna make it any more dramatic. All right. So going back in with that color that I used originally, but really right here, we're gonna use side check, and we're just gonna a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to just take this brush, the same brush again, and we're going to go in with that dark color, and we're just going to do our lower lash line. And you want to do this like this so it connects, and plus it just makes your eyes look so much open. I love Colourpop shadows. They work so effortlessly. Oh, that was a big word. Okay. All right, now for the coup de grace. Okay, we need to end it. All right, we're taking my liquid eyeshadow. I love this thing. When I run out of this, I will cry. This is the liquid eyeshadow in Revolution. I've never seen it ever again. I don't know if it was like a one-time thing, but I'm in love with it, and I wish they would come out with more. And we're just going to go ahead and place this in the middle. Oh my God. No, Samantha. Girl, what the freak did you just do? Okay, guys, did I say I suck at makeup tutorials? Because I do. Oh my God. Okay. That chunkiness is not supposed to happen. So by that, it means it's getting old. Like, oh my God, it's all chunky in here. Oh no. The day I decided to do a tutorial, you want to be chunky? Oh, okay. Let's try to fix this, shall we? Take a Ipsy brush right here and try to just blend it. Okay, that was so not my fault. I had no idea that this eyeshadow had grown old. I haven't used it in like a week, but damn. I didn't think it would like turn on me that quick. Well, good thing I ordered another champagne color from Wonder Beauty. Hopefully it don't let me down. Okay. I think I like it. I'll live with it. So, there you go. There's your eye look. And I'm so sorry again that it came off chunky. I mean, that honestly was not my fault. I did not know that it had gotten that old. But you always want to go back in. So we're just going to wet the brush real quick. And you'll want to go back in with the dark color angles. And you want to blend the two together. See? So there's no crease in between it. Yes, that is my stomach growling. Okay, so how do you like my look? It's all right, I know. And then we're going to just take this color right here because it's the lightest color I have, which is Peacocky. I hope this is okay. And I'm going to just try to do my eyebrow bone, which I don't know if this is going to work. Because my eyebrow color I normally use is, I left it in the bathroom. I forgot to grab my eyebrow brush. Or we won't. Dang, Santa! Let me just put this in here and there we go. Ooh, I'm so hungry. I want chicken wings. Ooh. And then the trick that Maturely, we're done with the eye look, so I hope you guys like it. But the trick that Maturely Glam actually taught me today is you take, oh Jesus, aha. You take a little inner corner brush, right? And you wet it, of course, I already know about this. But then you take, and we're gonna take the Too Faced Diamond Lighter, whatever. And we're gonna just put this in the inner corner, but we're gonna bring it to the middle, like that. And it opens your eyes. She's not lying. Oh, hello, sunshine. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Hey, big spender. Yeah, I'm playing at this point. Okay, so let's look, shall we? Okay, so it ain't the perfect thing in the world. For 3 minutes, what do you expect? Did I say I was a professional? I think it still looks good. I mean, it's just a little clumpy, but that's because it's old. If it wasn't old, it wouldn't look like that, honey. It would look good. So I'm crying now because I have to throw this out because, I mean, like, ew. It's like cakey. At this point, we're just messing it up. I'm just saying. Oh, Jesus. Did you like my tutorial? Oh my God. Should I retire? Okay, guys. So again, that was the eye look. I wanted to make like a sexy montage where my eyes are like, you know, you're looking into them and they got the music and all that cute stuff and everything. But I mean, this is what you get. So cue that sexy music. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, this tutorial. I hope it helps somewhat, honestly. And I will catch you guys on the next video. That damn eyeshadow, guys. If it wasn't for the eyeshadow, this look would have been flawless. I truly do apologize, but I still think it's pretty. And stay tuned because I'm about to do an update on the crime story from last night. I don't want to say no names because people want to demonetize you. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. Love y'all. Bye.